To thaw ground turkey in the fridge, place it in your refrigerator in its original packaging or a sealed, leak-proof container. To avoid contaminating any other foods in the fridge, keep the turkey away from foods in open packages, just in case there are any leaks. Depending on how much turkey is in the package and how cold your fridge is, it should take 12 to 24 hours to thaw completely. Cook the turkey within 1 to 2 days after it thaws. If you're in a hurry, you can defrost the turkey in the microwave. Take the turkey out of its packaging and place it on a microwave-safe dish. Then defrost it at 50% power for 2 minutes per 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms of turkey. If it's still partially frozen after 2 minutes, keep microwaving it in 1-minute increments until it's completely thawed. Cook your ground turkey right away after defrosting it this way. For a defrosting technique that's faster than the fridge and thaws more evenly than the microwave, place the turkey in a sealed, zip-top bag and set it in a container filled with cold water. Change the water every 30 minutes so the turkey doesn't warm up too much, which could cause harmful bacteria to grow. This method takes about 1 hour per 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms of turkey. Once the turkey is completely thawed, cook it right away.